Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video I'm going to help you fix your PlayStation 4's slow copying on downloaded files and new updates. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So the PlayStation 4 has been having issues copying files and it taking a very long time. And for me personally, it takes longer to copy the file than it does to go ahead and download the file. Now for the copying issue, it's not based off your internet speed. For me, I have about a 500 megabyte download speed for my internet, but my copying isn't affected by that. So speeding up your internet won't speed up your copying. So I have some good news about this situation. We can go ahead and make this better and make it a little bit quicker so when you copy, it doesn't take as long. And there's some things we can do on our PlayStation 4 that will significantly improve it, like going out and buying a solid state hard drive, which will be in the next PlayStation 5. And if you remember from their presentation Sony had, loading Spider-Man, it only took them like 0.9 seconds versus like 30 seconds on the PlayStation 4 Pro. So getting a solid state drive will significantly improve this problem for you if you wish to go and buy them. And I would suggest getting something like a 1 terabyte solid state drive. And to update your hard drive, you're looking at about $100 for a 1 terabyte solid state drive. And your PlayStation 4 will be absolutely smoking, running quicker than it ever has at any point in its lifetime. And the bad news is the PlayStation 4 is about 6 to 7 years old. Alright, the hardware in it is outdated. It's slow. So there's only going to be a finite amount that we're going to be able to improve this situation without updating our hard drive. Knowing this is a hard drive issue, we can go ahead and improve our PlayStation 4 hard drive as it is. Now, if you never rebuilt the database on your PlayStation 4, I think it's about time we do that. That will speed up your current hard drive and make your operating system on your PlayStation 4 run a little bit quicker, and your copying as a result should be a little bit quicker also. So let's go ahead and rebuild the database on my PlayStation 4 right now and speed up our copying. So the first thing you want to do is turn off your PlayStation 4. Now you want to go ahead and turn it off completely. Do not go to rest mode. So let's go ahead and turn off our PlayStation 4, and there will be no lights on the top of the PlayStation 4, so you'll know it's 100% turned off. Alright, so here is my beautiful PlayStation 4, and it is 100% turned off. There is no lights on the top. Let's go ahead and hold down the power button for about 10 seconds. You will hear one beep initially, and about 7 to 10 seconds later, you'll hear another beep. Once you hear that second beep, go ahead and let go, and your PlayStation 4 will start in safe mode now. And if this is your first time launching safe mode on your PlayStation 4, just a heads up, you will need a USB cable and you will need to directly plug in your PlayStation 4 controller with this USB cable in order to operate the safe mode menu. So connect your DualShock 4 using the USB cable and then press the PlayStation button. Now let's go down to option number 5. Rebuild database. So this is going to speed up your PlayStation 4's hard drive and make it run quicker. So let's go ahead and press X on option number 5, rebuild database. It says it may take a few hours to rebuild the database, but in my experience it will only take about 5 to 10 minutes. So go ahead and just press OK. And as you can see, it will give you an estimated amount of time when you go ahead and launch this. Mine says 4 minutes remain. So if this video on how to speed up the copying on your PlayStation 4 did indeed help you out or was informative, go ahead and leave this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more PlayStation 4 tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.